Soapbox Packaging Design Part 1 using CorelDRAW 2020.
So guys, ito yung magiging sample natin for the soap box. This is a Kojic soap bar. So kuhanin muna natin yung dimension niya. Right? So I think this is 76 millimeter by 53. Okay. By 30 millimeter. Okay, so dito tayo magbe-base ng actual box or packaging for this soap.
So open natin si CorelDRAW. Okay, so we're gonna create a new document. Let's put the title Kojic Soapbox. Okay, CMYK at 11 by 8.5 inches at 300 dpi landscape. Okay, alright. So kung naalala nyo yung past video natin, the size of the soap is 53 by 76 by 30 millimeter, right? So let's say this is your soap. Okay, so the size of the soap is 53 by 76 by 30 millimeter. Yeah, sorry. Okay. So let's put that here. Okay, this is your soap, Okay. Yan. Yan yung actual size ng soap. Okay. Now, paggawa natin ng box, you need to put allowance on it. Hindi pwedeng eksakto rin yung measurement ng length, width, and the depth of the ng soap to your box kasi hindi magkakasya yung soap. So we need to put an allowance of 2 millimeter all around. So that's a total of 4 millimeter. Okay, so 53, that's plus 4, that's 57. Sorry, naka-inches tayo. We need to use the millimeter units. Okay, so we're gonna create a rectangle or a box and then put a value here. 53 plus 4, 57. Okay, and then the height would be 76 plus 4, that's 80. Okay, make sure na naka-unlock siya. Right? Okay, and then click the plus on your numerical keypad to duplicate it on a same location. Now we're gonna do this 30, right? So kung 30 yung depth mo, plus 4, so that's 34. Okay. Ayan. Make sure na naka-snap to object tayo. Okay, and then just duplicate this, select all, and then hit the plus key. Alright, select all, group, and then center it to the page. Now ungroup it, copy this uh, 34 millimeter, rotate, okay, put it here at the corner, and then just drag this till here, right? And then click again, copy, and probably the default would be 12 millimeter or maybe 10. Okay, okay, yung corner natin is rounded. Sorry, just click shape tool, and then this corner, press Control and then drag. Okay, now you have to convert this to object, and then delete this line and as well as this. Okay, we're gonna create a line here, and then okay, all right, so we're gonna put another line, and the size would be maybe 4 millimeter. Okay, okay, and then just copy this, drag it at the bottom on this part. Okay, create a glue flap. This is 10 millimeter also. Convert it to line, drag this down, and then drag this up, duplicate, drag it there, and then wheel. And now we need to excuse me, we need to create the dust flap. Okay, by selecting the freehand tool on this corner, by pressing the control button on your keyboard to make a 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. Alright, so I think that's too much. Okay, and then pull it up, and then create this one, and then this. Okay, now that's gonna put it here. No, that's too much. Yeah, okay, select this corner and then go to your corners. I think this is 7 millimeter is enough. All right, or no, that's too much. Maybe 5 millimeter. I'm just gonna use 5 millimeter. Okay, and then copy it, flip, put it on this corner, select both of this dust flap, copy, drag it down, and then you should flip this one. Okay, flip, And we are done. Okay, we are done with the box. To make sure, let's double check the soap, if the soap will gonna fit inside. Okay, so the actual size of the soap is 53, sorry, 53 by 76. Okay, all right. And the depth of the soap is 30 millimeter. So, yan, we're done. Would definitely kasha talaga siya dun sa box kasi ayun yung allowance, kitang kita natin. If we're gonna measure the allowance, this should be 2 millimeter. Okay, top and bottom. millimeter. Alright, so that's it guys. Tapos na tayo sa ating part 1 nitong Kojic soap box. So this is the exact die line or die cut for printing. After this, we're gonna, on my next video, I'm gonna create the design for this box para magkaroon na siya ng texture and yun, for ready to print na. Okay, so guys, kung gagawa kayo ng standard top type boxes, always remember na nahahati siya sa 13 parts, no? Which is this is your this is your top tuck flap and the bottom tuck flap, right? So bahin natin yung color. And this is your top closure panel and your bottom closure panel. Okay, this is your rear panel. Okay, and this is your front panel. Okay. This is your left panel, your right panel, right, and this is your we call this a glue flap. Okay, and those four we're gonna choose a different color. Okay, orange. This is your dust flap. Okay, so sila yung 13 elements or 13 parts ng standard tuck type boxes. Okay, now we're gonna do the dimension. Okay, this is 80 millimeter by 57 by 34. Okay, 10 cm at dyan nagtatapos ang ating tuck type soap box using CorelDRAW part 1. And guys, kung nakatulong sa inyo yung video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating video.